The idea seems outrageous, impossible even. But history teaches us that the universe rarely cares about our assumptions. Ancient scholars once believed the Earth was the center of everything. Then came telescopes. Later, we believed the Milky Way was the entire cosmos. Then came Hubble. Now, we think the Big Bang is the beginning of all beginnings. And then came James Webb. Its infrared gaze is so powerful it can see through billions of years of cosmic fog, revealing light that has been traveling toward us longer than Earth has existed. And yet, the light from these 4 galaxies seems to originate from a time before time, a period so close to the Big Bang that conventional cosmology insists galaxies could not have formed. But Webb sees them anyway, glowing defiantly. It's as if someone found dinosaur fossils inside the same soil layer as early humans, an impossibility, yet undeniable. As astronomers study these galaxies, they are beginning to suspect something deeper. Perhaps our universe experienced multiple cycles of creation, each older than the last. Ancient Hindu texts speak of endlessly repeating cosmic cycles, worlds destroyed and reborn. Greek philosophers described the cosmos as eternal, pulsing with creation and destruction. Even the Mayans believed the universe had lived many lives before ours. We dismiss these as myths. But now, these galaxies hint that maybe the ancients glimpsed a truth science is only now rediscovering. Maybe the Big Bang wasn't the beginning, but merely the latest beginning. Perhaps matter, energy, and time themselves have roots extending far deeper into the past than our instruments can yet measure. These galaxies, older than they should be, might be remnants of a previous universe, survivors carried over through a cosmic event we don't yet understand. One theory gaining traction is cosmic bounce cosmology, the idea that the universe expands, collapses, and is reborn endlessly, like a lung breathing in and out across infinite ages. If that is true, some structures, like these galaxies, might have survived the collapse of a previous universe and been reborn into ours. That would make them older than the Big Bang itself. And before you dismiss that as too wild, consider this: scientists now know that black holes can survive eras. They are engines of memory, cosmic vaults. So if black holes can persist between cosmic cycles, why not galaxies? Why not entire structures built from physics we don't yet comprehend? These 4 galaxies might be cosmic relics, fossils of a universe that died long before ours began. Their existence challenges every equation, every lecture, every textbook. They behave as if they were forged under different laws of physics. Their stars burn too bright, too early. Their mass is too large. Their structure is too ordered. They are like guests who arrive at a party before the host even sent invitations. Now, modern astronomers are scrambling, rewriting models, rethinking origins, reconsidering everything from dark matter to inflation theory. Because when data contradicts belief, belief must bend, not the universe. Some scientists now propose that these galaxies might have formed from primordial dark matter clumps far denser than we expected. Others suggest exotic physics, particles we've never detected, forces we've never measured. And then there are the brave few who dare whisper the unthinkable: maybe these galaxies are evidence of a multiverse. Maybe they drifted into our cosmic bubble from another universe entirely, a place where time moved differently, where matter coalesced faster, where the laws of physics have different signatures. These galaxies could be intruders from a parallel cosmos, like travelers who accidentally stepped through a hidden doorway and found themselves in a younger universe not meant for them. Webb may have captured ancient immigration records of galaxies crossing between universes. And yet, despite all the theories, the truth remains breathtakingly mysterious. Because every ancient civilization had a story about worlds beyond our own. The Egyptians spoke of hidden realms in the sky. The Norse described Yggdrasil, the cosmic tree connecting multiple universes. The Chinese told of heavens layered upon heavens. Maybe these weren't mere stories. Maybe they were reflections of something humanity sensed intuitively, that reality is far older and far deeper than we imagine. These 4 galaxies, glowing like ghostly lanterns at the edge of cosmic time, remind us that we are still children staring at the stars with questions far bigger than ourselves. And now, as we stand on the edge of a new era of discovery, James Webb is not just showing us the universe, it is showing us how little we truly know. These galaxies are more than anomalies, they are invitations. Invitations to question everything. Invitations to rediscover ancient truths. Invitations to rethink the very beginning of reality. Because if galaxies can exist before they should, then what else is out there? What else is older, stranger, and waiting to be found? Webb's next discoveries may be even more unsettling, even more beautiful, even more transformative. And you and I are witnessing history unfold in real time, history written not in ink, but in starlight older than creation itself. Now, as we reach the end of this journey, here is your final 30-second conclusion. If these galaxies truly aren't from our universe, then James Webb has not just rewritten astronomy, it has opened a gateway into the deepest mysteries ever conceived by human minds. This is only the beginning. The universe is speaking again, just as it spoke to ancient civilizations long before telescopes existed. And if you want to continue exploring these cosmic revelations, if you want to be part of this unfolding story, then make sure you stay connected. Like this video, drop your thoughts in the comments, because your curiosity fuels this journey, and subscribe with notifications on so you never miss the next chapter in humanity's greatest adventure. The cosmos is calling. Don't look away now. The real discoveries are just beginning.